We get closer to opening schools in Arkansas. Governor Asa Hutchinson making the rounds. Today, he visited Monticello High School to see how teachers and administrators are preparing during this pandemic. For starters, desks are distance apart and plexiglass partitions have been installed in the cafeteria. The governor encouraged students to wear masks, social distance, and wash their hands.
Well, when someone gets sick from COVID-19, we certainly wonder who they've been in contact with. And if that's you, well, that it's also one of the health department's biggest questions.
To date, they have hired 600 people to figure out how many people came in contact with each infected person. They are called contact tracers. And Claire Kreitz talked to a couple of them about how hard it is to follow in the footsteps of sick Arkansans. Claire.
Yeah, Donna, that's right. There are two companies working with the Department of Health to track down potential positive cases. Today, I was able to sit down with two contact tracers with the Arkansas Foundation for Medical Care Incorporated. They spend all day making calls, and it all starts with a positive case.
Hi, my name is Yolanda, and I'm calling on behalf of the Arkansas Department of Health.
Yolanda Giles spends 8 hours each day, headset on, dialing numbers.
We get a list of contacts, individuals that have been infected with COVID-19.
She starts by asking some basic questions,
Like their name, date of birth, telephone number, address.
Then moves on to some more specific details.
And if they traveled, who they've been around, if they've been to local restaurants, community events.
Hola, muy buenas tardes. Mi nombre es Mahaira.
It's all done in Spanish as well.
Respiratoria causada por COVID-19.
Mahaira Gonzalez is another contact tracer and says it's crucial to have callers who can reach those who don't speak English.
Usted ha sido identificado. As soon as they hear somebody that speaks their language, they feel safe. They feel confident in telling you what's going on.
Now, once they record all of the places and people those positive cases have come into contact with, they determine who is a direct contact.
Person that you've been around for 15 minutes or longer, less than 6 feet away from.
Then there's a new list of names to call.
So we let them know about their exposure. We give them the Arkansas Department of Health recommendations, quarantine, avoid public activities, etc.
Now, both Giles and Gonzalez say getting people to pick up the phone
most of the time they won't.
Is half the battle.
You keep calling.
With each name crossed off the list, they are working to keep more from being added.
So the fact that we can let them know that they were exposed so they can be on the lookout or at least quarantine for a couple of days, that can save a lot of lives.
The contact tracers say they make about 60 to 70 calls a day. A big part of it too is letting those positive cases and those exposed know about different resources like housing and food delivery since they do need to quarantine. Their number is 833-283-2019. So if you get a call from that number, they ask you to please answer it. Now, if you can't remember that, we've put it on our website. You can go to fox16.com and search contact tracer. Back to you.
Probably need to store that number in our phones. Thanks a lot, Claire.